Because the Lord is my shepherd, I have everything I need. God helps me to lie in the meadow's grass, and God leads me beside the quiet streams. God restores my failing health, and God helps me to do what honors God the most. That's why I'm saved. That's why I'm saved. That's why I'm saved. Saved in God's arms.